Alright, so today, got another little video for you. Got 5 tips for getting your house ready to sell. I'm going to switch some outlet covers, update some old lighting with some retrofit cans, update the shower with the new shower head, and put the smoke alarms in. Big inspection one. Will also be, last but not least, installing the dishwasher. Because a lot of times they're not mounted. It's real quick, real easy. Avoid a little check mark on your inspection. So stick around. Let's go. All right, we're gonna start off first with the cans. These are just your standard screw-in bulb type. A couple different styles here. I think that's a daylight bulb. Soft white. Super simple install. Let's get after it. All right, these go in super simple. Take your socket, screw it in. Make sure you pick your K value. Slide the wires up. Here's a little close-up of the hooks you're going to get those spring clamps into. I was struggling a little bit, but then I'm trying to do it with one hand and film with the other. Should have a little more success. But you just want to slide these little spring clamps into the hooks on both sides. This is just one of the sides. We'll pan over to the other one. Right there. Those 2 hooks. Yeah, once you got them in there, just slide it up. Friction fits. Boom. And a little tip, you might want to check and make sure if you have a dimmer switch that you buy dimmable bulbs. And here you have all the lights replaced. Look at the dramatic change there. Just really livens up the space. Brings out the feng shui. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but it looks much nicer than those old bulbs. I'll tell you that. All right, this thing's gotta go. The 80s called, they want their shower head back. A little quick twist, come right off. Nice, no Teflon tape, nothing. Nobody wants your old shower rack, take that out. So what we got here is a 2-in-1 Delta. It's from the Home Depot, $50. It's got a wand, definitely livened up the bathroom compared to that 80s style one. And you don't need any tools besides some Teflon tape right here. I've got hose. Oh, I got hose. In different area codes. R.I.P. Neat Dog. The original auto-tune. You're just gonna throw this little dilly whopper on this old spinny dilly whap. Look at that, no tools necessary. Even your grandma could do this. Maybe. You still got a grandma. R.I.P. to all the grandmas. It's a sad shower install. Make sure they're snug. You don't want to be crushing. There's an O-ring in there. She'll take care of you. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that bling bling. Oh, there's more. But wait, there's more. Look at yourself. Look at the camera. Jeez, this is some good tape. Don't keep that shine on. Oh, almost hit myself in the face. I'd say that's better than this. Better than what we started with. Gives you some options. Took a whopping 3 minutes.
Is very nice.
On to the next. So you can replace these, you know, if you have the painters come and then they just do whatever they want with the actual ones. But at 50 cents, they go a long way to making it look pretty nice. Now you just go around, find some ugly ones. Yeah, we got the Kitty Fire X smoke alarms, 4-pack. You don't need anything special to pass inspection, just some working fire alarms and, or I should say smoke alarms, and some CO detectors. I believe this 4-pack was about $60. You can hardwire them. I always want to write the date on there. Nobody ever does, but you should. Oh, here. Try and take the whole thing off. Oh, that'll get you. All right, there it is. Ready to go. Just gotta put it up on the wall. Pretty simple. I know you're thinking, Charlie, why don't you hardwire them? Well, I know for a fact people are lazy. These are from 2003. Supposed to change them every 10 years. And if you got a battery in there, it's not gonna last 10 years. Or they do have newer ones that are 10 years. So you can't leave it up there for 20 years. You at least gotta change it, or look at it, I should say, when it starts driving you nuts and beeping. So that's why I wouldn't hardwire it. Leave a comment if you think I should hardwire it. Or just hate on me for not hardwiring it. Whatever you want to do. Love it both ways. I love it for you. It's good for you. It's a little dusty. Got your 2 screws right there. Boom, boom. Just thread her on. I don't know if they thought there was gonna be a fire up here, but there is a damn fire alarm in every room. So this was gonna be one of the 5, mounting the dishwasher using this ever-built Home Depot dishwasher mounting bracket, which is pretty simple to use. You bend these over 90, these tabs right here. Screw them into your cabinet, like so. Then you screw your dishwasher into here. It gives you lots of spots. But this Bosch dishwasher doesn't have any mounting tabs for that. So I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board. So you're only gonna get 4 tips today. No YouTube magic here. Job done. I apologize for my shortcomings.
That's what she said.
But thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. Stick around for more.